Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about different types of muscles in human, and they are smooth muscle, skeletal muscle, and cardiac muscle. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of information here. Now, what we will do is that we'll talk about this information first, and then we'll give you a few summary phrases to remember all this information. Okay, now, so first, smooth muscle can be found in organs with space, and organs with space, for example, are like the blood vessel, the digestive tract, and like the urinary bladder, for example. All right. Now, as far as skeletal muscle, the word skeletal means bone. So usually, skeletal muscle are normally found around bones. Now, so majority of the skeletal muscles are found around bones, just like what the name is telling you. All right. As far as the cardiac muscle, the word cardiac means heart. So cardiac muscle are found within the heart. So right here, you can tell that skeletal muscle, the word skeletal itself tell you most of the skeletal muscle are found around bones. And the word cardiac itself tell you cardiac muscle are found within the heart. All right. Now, also know that skeletal muscle is voluntary, while smooth muscle and cardiac muscle are involuntary. Okay. Now, also note, smooth muscle is non-striated, while skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle are striated. Okay. Also, cardiac muscle is branched, while smooth muscle and skeletal muscle are non-branched. Okay. So we just talked about a lot of information. So how are we going to be able to remember all this information? We create a few summary sentences. And these summary sentences, we are not worried about the grammar of the summary sentences. We only worry about making the summary sentences as short as possible. So the shorter the summary sentence, the easier for us to remember. Okay, now, so we have a few summary sentences on the right side of the screen right here. So the first one is, smooth muscle are found in organs with space. Right? So why don't we have summary sentence to talk about the location of the skeletal muscles and the cardiac muscle? It's because we already talked about it. The skeletal muscles, majority of skeletal muscles are found near bones, just like what the skeletal works is telling you, because the skeletal works mean bones, right? And also, the cardiac muscle, the word cardiac itself means heart. So the name itself tell you that cardiac muscle are found in the heart. Okay. Now, what about, we also said that right here, say right here that smooth muscles are non-striated. So what does it mean? So as long as you know that smooth muscle are non-striated, then you know the other two are going to be striated. So you know the skeletal muscle and the cardiac muscle are going to be striated. Right? Because skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle are going to be the other ones. Now, then the second summary sentence here, you have skeletal muscle, voluntary. So what is it saying? So as long as you know skeletal muscle are voluntary, then you know that the other two are going to be involuntary. The smooth muscle and the cardiac muscle are going to be involuntary. Now, then the next summary sentence here are cardiac muscle branch. So as long as you know cardiac muscles are branch, then you know the other two types of muscles are non-branch. Okay, so now we just use right here, we have all this information on the left side, but as long as you are able to remember this summary sentence on the right side, the short summary sentence on the right side, then you will be able to remember, you'll be able to summarize all this information and then without getting them confused. Okay, thank you so much for watching.